video.
Happy
Father
Sunday.
Catholic.
I wish you father.
I want to also hear them. They gave me a
Father one name.
It was one the lecturer. I want to know. Where my lecturer keep giving them the here.
Father, way much.
Okay.
Honestly, I know despite the fact that Evangelist Ebuka Obi has made his status very clear to
everybody. Yes.
That he's not a priest.
Okay.
People were asking me, who ordained Evangelist Ebuka Obi?
That John ordained him as what?
Imagine the funny question.
It's a very funny and foolish question, as far as I'm concerned. Anyway, everybody is entitled to their own opinion. But we need to educate the people. We need to see. More like them. Let's say the truth and stop propaganda. Are you hearing me? Because some of these things you see on social media, they are propagandas. People, I have had this question you asked me, I've had it. I'm not able to open it. And I was like, what do you go when you share the Are you getting my point?
Yes.
In the book of Ephesians 4:11, the Bible said to some he has given to be apostles, prophets, evangelists, pastors, and teachers.
Sure.
The fivefold ministry. To some he has given. And at baptism, I got the Bible. He said, you have been baptized to go into the world and make disciples of all nations. He didn't say, Reverend Father. He didn't say, as far as you have the Holy Spirit in you, to go and make disciples, win souls for Christ, and not chase them away. And the question I ask there is, what is Evangelist Ebuka Obi doing? Is he harvesting souls for Jesus? Or is he chasing them away? He's harvesting souls for Jesus.
Just the major thing.
In fact, that young man is a gift to this generation. If we can say the truth.
Yes.
Oh, my wife, I know for because all I know for I didn't hold. But they want to he must have him with you. Oh, we get the annual for no. We don't want to accept what has come to stay.
Jealousy.
To some he has given. God has given. And during the time of Apostle Peter, Apostle Paul, there was a place they went to, they lay hands on people. You remember the one that happened during the time of I think it's Apostle Paul, where what is it? Simon said, "Give me this gift so that I will pay for it." Isn't it? Yeah, it's Apostle Paul. Yes. And they said, "Go to hell with your money. This gift is not for sale. It's God that given this gift." How did they get that gift? By laying on of hands. He laid hand on them, and they got the Holy Spirit. And this one said, "I will pay you money so that you can also lay hand on me." There are so many things to say about this thing.
Sin of simony.
Sin of simony. You know it. No, what the truth of the matter here,
yes.
What Ebuka Obi is doing today is what was given to him. Go and check the history of that young man. Check the history, check his background. Ebuka Obi himself doesn't know that he will rise to this level that where he is today. He was trained by a priest who commissioned him, who prepared him, who was telling him about the future that he doesn't yet know. Check it. Then he was again trained by a very big priest that is well known, who also did what? Commissioned him. And said, "Go, don't be intimidated, don't be afraid." You watch the video.
Yes.
I have seen the video.
I also watch it.
Then are you talking about ordination? Are you talking about ordination as a priest or what? Or marriage? Or mass? Ordination baptism. A lot of nation people. I said it and I'm saying it again. Zion is the ministry. And when you come into a ministry, you see manifestation of gifts. Are you hearing me? So when people say that, please remind them of Ephesians 4:11 that God has given some to be prophets, apostles, pastors, evangelists, and teachers. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is an evangelist in a prophetic office. And I love him so much. I can make you
same do I.
Okay, ndị sịla anyị mechie ọnụ na ya aghọtaghị the Catholic Church, na ya aghọtaghị ndụ the Catholic Church si wee na-eme and efa simply because no feel no na go one or two father from Catholic Church pụtalụ kwuo something about Ebuka Obi unu chọọ ka unu mee ya ka ọ dụzie ka Catholic Church versus Ebuka Obi. Okay, since na ya enweghị the power and the right to respond to Father Kelvin Ugwu and the Father K. Now, a fellow Reverend Father like them has replied to them. Ngwano, Kerifunu was to say. ndị sịrị na ya aghọtaghọ ntu ndị Catholic Church si edebe iwu ha and ndị Catholic Church si eme. Onye ahụ kịta ahụ fada na Catholic Church, Father Chima and the other father. So kedu ife unu nwere to say? It is 2 Reverend Fathers versus 2 Reverend Fathers. Then ka unu gwazie anyị nwawu ndị Anglican na ndị Pentecostal churches and other denomination na ya mahọ ntu ndị Catholic si eme ife n'usoro fa. Ekwuru m na ife ụfọdụ n'ime unu na-eme ewu. Look, all those people they defend Father Kelvin and Father K. They are not, most of them, 80% of them are not Catholics. You got to go, 80% of them. That same people team up with Ijele, team up with Matthias, team up with Ndi Naga against Ebuka Obi. Okay, those people, Bakusikwano, Gokwa emergency in the Catholic. When the Catholic no nime but 80% of them are block Catholics. If I hadn't shown we poor one anybody against church or Ebuka Obi, Hejeba form one alliance. They have claimed so many things. But it is between a Reverend Father Ekuge, if I hadn't since a Reverend Father Ekuge, Emalonu Nina Hena come, Achos Rinka, a Comazie, a Reverend Father, or a Catholic Keu, Achon can reprise this Reverend Father. About is going to be other guy. I say, a Reverend Father, a maintain to go our position. A Reverend Father, a proof guy. Right. So it is so far 2 Reverend Fathers versus 2 Reverend Fathers. Not until other people are joining on the queue. But let this not be about Catholic Church, because I believe that this is about Catholic Church. This is about personal vendetta about all those two Reverend Fathers. That is Father K and Father Kelvin Ugu. So, ngoma goles ugi isi no nwere ife mma maka Catholic Church. Ejugu ye je ka ngwa bia na your Reverend Father bia go kwuo ye. Obia na maintain all the same position. Does it mean now that an ordained Catholic priest am hosi for na or na inwa I confuse go ha na kwa check ye. Hapu na Ebuka Obi aka. Hapu na Ebuka Obi aka. Hapu na Ebuka Obi aka. You people should leave that man alone. Leave that man alone. Go kuru mmiri to wigo. Go mana ochu nwa okuko nwa ada mana nwa okuko nwa also have what grace in what he who find grace must definitely face disgrace. I'll leave it here. Happy Sunday.